Oh, it's fishes, it's great. Hello, Mr. T-Rex. Hello, Triceratops. What are you doing? I'm playing with my new game. It's really fun. What does it do? It teaches you how to open and close locks. They can be quite difficult. Really? Yes, it's like a puzzle game. Do you mind it? Can I play? Yes, please do. It'd be so much fun. Okay, which one shall I try first? You could try number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. But I think number 4 is a good one to start with. Oh, okay, I'll try it. Oh, I have to lift this up and open it. Oh, and inside are some rabbits. Oh, that's so funny. Yes, it's good, isn't it? Oh, and then lock it. Oh, that was good. Can I have a nut try again? Oh, yes, please. Try another one. How about number 1? Oh, okay, I'll do number 1. It's a horse! Oh, I really like horses. Yes, me too. Okay, I'll close it and do it back up. Wow, that's good. Do you want to try one now? Oh, yes, okay. I'm going to try number 3. Open it. And it's some cats. Yeah, I like cats. This is fun. Okay, now I'm going to try number 6 again. Oh. And fishes. I really like fishes. So do cats. Yes, that's right. Okay, let's close this one. What one shall I try next? Well, you could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, but I'm going to do number 5. That sounds like so much fun, Mr. Triceratops. Okay, this is a chain. Ooh. How do I open it? Oh, like that. And open this here. They're frogs. Oh, I really like frogs. Yes, me too. Frogs are great. Ho, 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 ho. Oh, okay, now close it. Okay, now I'm going to try number 2. Spin it round. And puppies. Oh, I like puppies so much. Puppies are baby doggies. Puppies are baby dogs. They're really lovely and they're so much fun to play with. Yes, and very caring and very loving. Yes, but sometimes naughty. Yes, sometimes because they're babies. Yes, that's right. Okay, I'm going to close it. Oh, thank you so much for letting me play with your game, Mr. T-Rex. That's okay. I'm really glad you can join in with me. I like playing with you, Mr. Triceratops. Yes, me too. Okay, see you later. See you. Bye.